So random variables and joint distributions up. So what is the motivation behind learning this? Events, set of measurable events described as the outcomes or attributes of the outcomes. For example, a patient attribute age, gender and smoking history are relevant to possible disease. Event, age is greater than 55, heavy smoking history and suffers from the repeated cough. So what are the attributes? Attributes are age, then you have gender as an attribute and smoking history as the attribute. And what is the event occurring? Event occurring is that the age of the patient is greater than 55. He is heavy smoking history and suffers from repeated cough. Random variables. The formal machinery for discussing attributes and their values in different outcomes. As a variable whose value depends on the outcome of a random phenomena. For example, random variable grade that reports the final grade of a student, then the statement P of grade equal to A is another notion for P of grade A. Different set of values. Categorical or discrete random variables that take one of a few values can take indefinitely many values. For example, integer or real values such as height that denotes a student's height. We use value of x to denote the set of values that a random variable x can take. So val of x means a set of values that this random variable x will take. Uppercase Roman letters x, y, z to denote random variables. Lowercase letters to refer to a value of random variable. Next is marginal and joint distributions. What is joint probability? The probability of two events occurring together at the same time, that is P of A and B or P of A comma B. The joint probability of someone being a male and liking football is 0.24. So that is the joint probability that the person is a male and likes football. What is marginal probability? It is a probability of an event irrespective of the outcome of another variable. So if you see this diagram, you will understand. You have P of A1 and B1, P of A2 and B2. These are your joint probabilities. That means A1 and A2 are occurring at the same time. Whereas P of B2 and P of A2, they are what? They are marginal probabilities. Means occurrence of P of A2 is independent of the occurrence of P of B2. And occurrence of P of B2 is independent of the occurrence of P of A2. So this is all about marginal and joint distribution.